First, you have to log in Facebook account, then go to pages. It is showing your page, and you have to select which page you want to add on your website. So in your case, your particular page, so I am showing this demo content here. I am selecting this one. Okay, after when you visit your page, then you have to find setting. Okay, yes, here is setting. At the bottom is setting, then click on messaging. The messaging option will open here, then find here where it will be. Yes, this option, add messenger to your website. Get start, go, and next. Okay, so this is the showing the demo how it will looks like when you add on your website. If you want some changes, you can change. See, here is the greeting message, so you can edit here anything, then it will show it is here on your website. Then save. Okay, here is one more important options. If you want like sometime visit any visitor and he don't log in his Facebook account, if you click this guest chat on, without login he can message to you. Otherwise you have to, if it is off, so first he need to sign in Facebook account, then he can send you the message. Okay, this is the important option. Okay, it's different to you. And here, okay, this is here is this much option on mobile. It is showing like this. Okay, there is no more option. Then click next. Yes, here is the custom color. You can select any color of uh, examples. See, the color will change here, and even the icon showing on the showing on icon on your website. So which color you want, you can add. Otherwise, even you like this much color is not available here, you can use the hex code, color hex code. Okay, in my case I leave this color. Oh no, it's not looking nice. Okay, this one. Then click on next. This is the most important part. Okay, this is the last part and important part. First you have to add your website here, website domain name. Okay, this complete domain name, https including https, then total domain name, add here. Okay, so in my case, sorry, I delete now. Okay, you just copy and paste here, then click on save. Okay, after save you have to copy this code. When you click on this code, it will copy on your clipboard. Okay, then you can, here is two option. Otherwise you can send direct by via email. See, email instruction on how to add code. Okay, otherwise you can copy and give the paste, give this code to developer and wait until you need to implement, then click on finish. That's it. This way you can add uh, your messenger plugin on your website.